today's episode of Falappi's Garage, we're going to be talking about Colton's new toolbox that we're going to be using here in the garage for all our projects and everything. Let's get into it. Like I said, guys, welcome back to the channel. And if you're new here, why don't you think about going on over and subscribing? We've got a lot of projects. We've been working on our two-stroke quad, and unfortunately, we don't have that here today. That's at my buddy Nolan's shop. But what we do have is this beautiful, beautiful Purple Rain ARCA. And I wish it was mine, but it's not. It's Colton's. See, if you've been watching the channel and been watching us working here, you've seen me working out of the tools in the truck, which, you know, it's not the best option. And luckily for us, I don't know, maybe luckily for him, he's going to be making a lot more money doing it. But he's no longer a full-time tech anymore. So he brought his tools here, which actually works very well for us because now we actually have nice stuff to work out of. What are your thoughts on the Purple Rain ARCA box?
Sexy, dude. Well, that's in my old box.
We've been making the joke that out of everyone that's involved in the channel, the one guy that's no longer a full-time technician actually has the nicest toolbox, which is kind of funny. But he also has more of a budget to afford it than me, who makes about 8 cents a year, and is working out of basically the equivalent toolbox from like the year 2000, if you've ever seen my Cornwell box, which new tour coming of that sometime in the new year. But if we want to take a look at the box, as you can see, all the tools like aren't actually in there. So what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and get everything laid out for you in the box, and then we're going to bring you in, and Colton can give you a tour of everything that's going on. So roll the time lapse. So as you can see, got everything put together, got everything laid out. So now I'm going to go ahead and flip the camera back around. We're going to show you how we laid everything out. Hell yeah. Okay, let's take a look. Got the top drawer here.
It's a little bit of a mess.
You got your 3/8 impact on this side of the box.
Chromey lummies.
Got the chrome heads. Got some ratchets. I say wrenches. Got a little 1/4 inch there. Sockets.
We gotta show the people the grip edge because quite frankly, this is like one of my favorite tools. I use this all the time, and you should just like hit them with one of these. Like, you know what I'm saying? I don't have two hands to do that, but you know what I'm saying. That's not what I meant. But take the foam out.
That one doesn't have foam, so I can't take the foam out.
You don't need wheel sockets in here anywhere.
But
But that's what that is. It's a set of Matco wheel sockets. From the
17, 19, and 21, I think.
no 22 for Hondas. Thank you, Matco.
And then you got your filter sockets. And a Toyota filter socket that you'll never see again in your entire life.
Next door, this is the worst.
Cornwell screwdriver.
Milwaukee screwdrivers. Craftsman hammer next to the Milwaukee bag.
The self-propelled Delete 3000 over there. If you remember that video, you remember that video.
Snap-on torch. He's gonna be paying on this thing the rest of his life.
Cornwell, please sponsor.
I paid off now.
Can't remember if there's anything out here. Oh yes, there is.
Buddy did.
Beautiful pliers.
Set up by yours truly. Because he was just throwing pliers at me.
That's how I am.
Filter wrench that he got for free from me that I found in my dirty old garage.
I got this for free too. This one's better.
Those are like the worst
Are you
filter
ready for
pliers
this,
ever.
Most important. Absolutely not.
That's where I keep all my air tools.
I really need this. This is a bigger tool right here. It's the reason. That's where it has a 7-4. It's like my favorite.
ARCA.
We got papers.
Yeah, they don't need this.
Thank you, Miranda at Cornwell, for checking the quality of this toolbox. Call
We
it.
got kind of useless stuff. Well, we got the kits down here. We got a little mobile kit with just some 3/8 sockets and Milwaukee belts.
Where is
Yeah.
Sun HZ MCKP?
Sun HZ is not here actually. Mine probably the cars.
That's unfortunate. Sun HZ MCKP, please sponsor us.
It's the power. What the hell is this? Hell yeah, I got a Snap-on charger, Milwaukee charger, charges both. And then 4 batteries. Or 5 batteries, sorry, I can't count.
There you go. And then the drawer below it.
Is all the power stuff in air. And 2014 G Patriot.
We could throw that in the package if we were there.
I'll sign it. We got the Kong impact.
That's a great impact.
It's fantastic.
If I was in the market, I would definitely recommend it.
1,800 foot-pounds.
I spent $8 billion on a Snap-on gun I hate.
monkey.
Yes, it's the one.
Then I used my Matco, or Mac actually, my Mac
The infamous
Reaper.
grinder that's 4-corner block. This is the
Bastard.
wheel right here. I'll sign this and shit too. Used Snap-on E-ratchet I bought, but I'll never buy anything new from them. Ever. I've never used Snap-on ratchet. Or well, this is a brake grinder. This is definitely not a ratchet.
It's a
No battery.
die grinder, electric die grinder.
Used. Never buy anything new from that guy. In fact, Milwaukee fuel.
One of my favorite Milwaukee
Same
tools.
thing.
I use that thing all the time.
Well,
I use it to take off stuff it probably shouldn't take off.
just realized I have 6 batteries. There's one
Testament to Milwaukee quality.
here. This is shit, but I have it. It gets the job done before I got it at that point. And that's it. And we got dirty old laptop that works. It's absolutely filthy.
Great laptop.
That's about as filthy as left. See it? Bush Light sponsors right here.
Oh yeah.
Heater.
Guess what? All sides are signed now. But they're all signed, so
There you go.
mine's gonna get shown. Dude, he's trying to get out.
Go on, sure. Say help.
You can never escape.
Whoa! I got the heater on it because it's freaking cold in here.
Heater's one.
Berlin. Berlin Heaters. Please sponsor Falappi's
They were
Garage.
very expensive. The Bose.
Bose.
Actually, I have 2 of those. The other one's dead.
It's kind of fire. I didn't know anyone still could use Bose.
Dude, these things are fire. They go into party mode. And you can link them up together, put one on one end of the room, the other on the other end. wait to see if it's
That's fire.
fire. It is fire. But yeah, that's pretty much everything.
The ARCA.
With Houdini stuff. Houdini! Hey! Oh, you're stuck now, boy. Hey!
But anyway, yeah, we got the ARCA by Cornwell. What are these? Are these 58s or are they 56? Mine's a 58, but mine is from the year 2000. I'll add a picture of mine in here. It's beat, but this is nice. Cornwell, if you're watching this, please send me a black 79 with purple trim. Matching locker, matching
I got
part.
this drawer here. If you want to, set more tools.
Made in USA, combination wrenches. Or an air compressor.
I could use the air compressor. I could actually use the comb. I'll take anything you got. Used, abused, new. Toolbox.
Well, I hope you guys enjoyed the tour of the toolbox. Like I said, this is Colton's box, but it's here. We're gonna put it to work. Anyway, if you like the video, why don't you go on, subscribe to the channel. We do a lot of projects, but we also talk about tools and do a lot of other cool stuff. We've got some great ideas coming up here in 2025. Like the video. Share the video with a friend. Try to get the word out about Falappi Garage. Like I said, we can't do it without you guys. That's about all I have to say about that. But anyway, thanks for watching the video. We'll see you next time. No,